You can ban or
That white one.
you are not listening to that. I don't know. How do you put a elephant in a president?
That's right. Alright.
You have to put a cat inside and both
Put the cat. I was a nice person. I sat down in my legs folded and I was thinking.
Are you traveling naked? Naked, alone?
Yeah, that's what we do.